Rotimi Amaechi celebrated his 60th birthday. And in the course of celebration, they had a topic for discussion, which was poverty being used as a weapon. Different dignitaries came out to give their own opinions, most especially members of the coalition. Now, when Rotimi Amaechi came out, he said certain things that doesn't sit too well with me. I tried my best to shorten the clip. 30 seconds, so please don't go away. Listen.
And let me tell you, it's a conspiracy of the elites. Forget, when we sit here, we look at what is the best way to go to grab power. We don't care for you. No Nigerian leader cares for you.
We don't care.
And the reason
they are clapping
why no Nigerian leader cares for you is because you will do nothing.
Try.
It's an absolutely do-nothing society. Nigerian leaders and elites are not the problems of Nigeria. The problems of Nigeria are the followership. In Nigeria, there are no capitalist ideas, there are no socialist ideas among the politicians. It's about sharing. The quarrel among the elites is about sharing. If you say the last president was very bad, the incoming one will be worse. When the incoming one takes over, the one before him will have become a king. We will now be wishing that person took over. Because it is a country of sharing money. Insecurity is 99.9%
listen properly. Just
poverty.
Listen.
You can't catch the elites. The elites have guns. Here, if you see the number of guns here to protect all of us, not to protect you. So when they look at us, they can't catch us. Who did they catch?
The poor people.
They are full of poor men.
Who do they catch? They are not their fellow poor men. Who is their fellow poor? It's you. All of you that were there clapping. Now then go catch. No biam. It started with the conspiracy of the elite. When they sit, all they think about is how to grab power. He has been grabbing power since now. He has been in power for the past 24 years. Right now, I think he's suffering from withdrawal syndrome. He used the word we. We don't care about you people. It's all about sharing the patrimony of the people. That's why they push themselves into public office. Because they want to collect their share. He has finished collecting his share. When he was collecting his share, he never came out to say all this. Now he has finished collecting his share. That's when he came out telling us about the next president is even going to be worse. Can you imagine? Because there is nothing we can do. Nothing. That's rubbing it to our face. Yes, we be mumu, we agree. But now coming outside to rub it in our faces that we are mumu, telling there is nothing you can do. Do you know what that means? He said insecurity. Now hunger they cause them. So now no say now hunger they cause them. The security men with guns is just to protect them, not to protect you guys clapping. And yet the people were clapping. That's the height of mumulity, iberiberism. Now to add salt to injury, listen to this. 10 seconds.
We don't want to move the country forward. If you're not ashamed, I'm ashamed. My passport was seized in Germany. I did nothing. My offense is that I'm carrying a green passport. They kept me for nearly 30 minutes. And I was going for a medical checkup in Vienna.
Did you listen to him? A lot of people listening to him, they were like, this is our green passport, no level. Me self, they don't do me. That's how we listen to things. Why then go holy ho Amaechi? What did he do? Now this is a man that started with the Speaker, State House of Assembly, and rose to the ranks of a governor, and later a minister. 8 years governor, 8 years minister, 8 years Speaker House of Assembly. He couldn't build a hospital. Same with his successor, Wike. Couldn't build a hospital. Now we're talking about the second richest state in the country. Yet, amongst them, I know just one call name, amongst them, built one of the biggest hotel right now in Rivers State. If not the biggest. When we then build that hotel, we build world-class hospital. Better world-class hospital. But yet, no, it's all about their interest. It's all about them. And on a day there, they clap. we need wise up. The very reason why they are doing this is because they understand one fact. The people still don't understand the power belongs to them.